Are you looking for a delicious and healthy fish meal that fits into your keto diet? Introducing the keto-friendly red snapper with vegetables recipe. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the red snapper fillets on a baking sheet and season them with salt, pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. In a separate bowl, combine diced zucchini, bell peppers, onions, and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle the vegetable mix with olive oil and sprinkle it with salt, pepper, and dried herbs like thyme or basil. Toss the vegetables gently to ensure they are evenly coated with the seasonings. Spread the seasoned vegetables evenly around the red snapper fillets on the baking sheet. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish is cooked through and the vegetables are tender. Once cooked, carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish the dish with freshly chopped parsley or basil for an added burst of flavor. Serve the keto-friendly red snapper with vegetables hot and enjoy a nutritious and satisfying meal that supports your keto lifestyle. Get more delicious keto-friendly recipes by visiting the link below. You get free Keto Recipes Cookbook, a 7-day keto diet course including a list of keto-friendly foods.